Oh, hey there. So, recently I was experiencing a lot of weakness and pains in my lower back, especially while doing my regular daily routines. So I went to my doctor and unfortunately he diagnosed me with jellyback. I was a weak jellyback man. But then I tried Nuwecogen. After about 1 week, I'm gonna take about 100 pills or something like that. You know, after them things they go, Jesus me I did. I don't feel no more pain in my back. My back firm now, man. I'm no longer a jellyback man. I'm now a board man.
Bruh.
Hold on. No board man. I'm now a board back man. I'm not talking about plied board and them thing. I'm talking about like 2x4, mahogany, seed and them thing there. Back firm now. Can't talk to me now. We need some water.
Nuwecogen is not for everybody. Some man just gonna be a weak jellyback man. Please contact your healthcare provider to find out if Nuwecogen is right for you. But if you choose to take Nuwecogen, side effects may include dizziness, blindness, loss of hearing, loss of tasting, loss of smelling, back pain, weakness, erectile dysfunction, swelling of the testicles, and ultimately, death.
So come on, try Nuwecogen and get back your back.
You weak jellyback.